Welcome to this video where we will demonstrate how to properly apply the dressing for your short catheter. Disinfect the surrounding area around the catheter exit site using a sterile alcohol swab. Be sure to allow it to have an exposure time of 30 seconds before proceeding. Additionally, make sure that the skin surrounding the catheter is completely dry before applying the new dressing. Peel off the protective cover of the adhesive strip and guide the catheter through the designated slot of the foam slit compress first. Now stick the foam slit compress onto your skin. Then remove the protective film covering the adhesive strip located on top of the foam pad and attach the catheter to that surface. To achieve a more effective application of the dressing, you might consider removing your gloves and then thoroughly disinfecting your hands. Now take the film dressing and first remove the two white adhesive strips that secure it in place. Then apply the film dressing, ensuring the foam pad is centered perfectly over the catheter. Press the plaster down firmly and evenly on the sides. For the final step, remove the top protective film layer of the film dressing. Then smooth the film dressing once more. For emptying, you will need a cloth, scissors, the orange safety device, and a plastic bag. You can reuse the original reservoir packaging. Place the reservoir on the floor. Open the clamp and lift the tube to allow any remaining liquid to fully drain out. Close the clamp again. Now cut the tube right between the white funnel adapter and the check valve. Turn the reservoir upside down above the toilet. You can speed up the emptying process by squeezing the reservoir. Then reattach the bright orange safety device. Place the reservoir along with the connected tube into the designated plastic bag, then dispose of the entire bag following your local disposal regulations. If any liquid accidentally spills while you are emptying the reservoir, wash your skin thoroughly with water and soap. Additionally, make sure to wipe down surfaces that came into contact with the spill. Please note that the reorder process can vary based on which country you are in. Therefore, follow the guidelines applicable to your country. You can read these at any time on www.ewimed.com.